Okay, this is called Instituto Politécnico. So I think the Macau Polytechnic University is right straight ahead, so we're going to be walking down that way. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we go through here, give you a little context. So over here is Gia Hill, and there's a tunnel over here that takes you to the other side of Macau, which is pretty cool too. What we're gonna do is walk down this street right here. Looks like there's a sports center to the left here, and let's just kind of see what we can see down the street. Huh, how do you walk down that? So there's the Polytechnic Institute right there. We're kind of walking on this one, but there's a truck right there, so we're safe, I guess. I kind of like this side because it's more shade. Here comes a car. I do kind of want to walk over there and just see, poke my camera around over there. Oh, this guy, taxi's gonna park right here, I guess. Okay. So I guess on this street there's some entrances into the university, including this one. Huh. It's weird. So I think that's the end of it, but there's some ways to go into the university here as well. So I think that you can go in here. Kind of surprised it's open. So yeah, that one's some of the university. And I guess what we'll do is we'll go in since looks like that we have public access. I'm not exactly sure where we are. It actually looks like we might not be able to go through it anyways. So there's some part of the Polytech. It's a nice little campus. I have been inside. I filmed inside before too, so you can actually look for that. Since this is actually the Hua, the street, I'll focus on that instead of other stuff. Huh. Nice colors. So there's part of the university there. So IPM looks pretty cool. So that's IPM, and then that's the he says I can't film there, so what's the point of having a beautiful sign if you can't take a picture of it, you know? Okay, well, we're gonna just keep walking down, and then we're gonna come around to the end of the street, and then we'll try to come around to the front and just kind of film from that side. Kind of interesting university. I've always liked the colors of it, and then when you go inside, there's like a lot of like kind of indoor outdoor plaza kind of stuff. And also over here there's a giant IPM too, so we're gonna film that. There's a library as well. It's the MPI. So that's the I right there, and the P, and then the M as well. So we're just gonna walk a little bit more, and then we're gonna get to the front of it. And then we'll probably end this video when we get to the front. So we kind of focus on the Institute, on the Hua, that's on the side. And then in a moment we'll get to the front part. Million Dragon Hotel. Could be a whole other video with that one, but I think the battery's not going to last long on this. So it might be kind of near the end of this video shortly. a Dragon Hotel. Oh wow. This is actually MPI and looks like they're doing a lot of construction right now. So usually there's access there. Huh. So it's actually closed right now. Okay. So yeah, that's the front of it. So yeah, the whole university looks like it's under construction. So you can see these cranes. There's a crane here, crane here, crane here. All the scaffolding. So the scaffolding is kind of all bamboo. So it looks like the whole thing is being restructured. I have some friends that work here. I might ask them more about that. See what's going on with that. Okay, so that's the MPI. Chiquinha,